Hello, my name is Barry Valentine. I'd like to thank you for the ability to submit this video for consideration for the Solution Engineer position in the Platforms Group. As part of this video, I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself, as well as three things that I really care about. Those three things are continual learning, teamwork, and customer success, or winning with customers. To use an analogy, as an analogy to explain that, what I'd like to use is talk about donuts. Now, you might wonder, why on earth are we going to talk about donuts when we're talking about those three things? But I think it's a great analogy because to have a really great donut, you need to have really great ingredients. To be successful with customers, to be successful in business, you also need to have really great ingredients. One first of those ingredients is the ability to, and the desire to learn continuously, to be continually learning. I remember when I was a kid, my stepfather, introduced me to my first donut. He also was an electronics technician, and he taught me an awful lot of things about electronics, how they work, how they go together, the facts about electricity, how things flow, how to make motors spin. I was very eager to learn all that, and when I did, I learned a lot from him, and I would disassemble my toys. My electronic toys, I'd pull out the motors, the components, and then I would recombine those into different things. One thing I built in particular was an electric car. It was a battery-operated car that I built by myself with spare parts using the things that he taught me. It was really exciting because it was something that I had built, something that I put together. I took what he taught me and I extended it a little bit further and put things together in a different way that I had to figure out myself. And it was very fun, a lot of fun. But as I got older, I realized it's not just about the work that I do, it's about the work that I do as part of a team. Now, I had an experience of many project experiences, but one most notable that I'd like to use as an example is some work I was doing in Alaska. So you see here, this is in Alaska midnight. One of the nice things about Alaska is that the days can be very long. Because what had happened was that my project team thought we had a month to complete a project, but then the customer told us that we need to actually really get it done in a week. So here we are. Oh my gosh, what did we do? We have a month's worth of work to do in just a week. So in Alaska, you work from sunrise to sunset. And in Alaska, with 22-hour days, that's a very different meaning. So what we were able to do, though, we were able to pull together. We pulled together as a team. We helped each other. We collaborated. And they also stayed really late. And while it was a very difficult time, it was also one of the best times. I look back on that experience where we had that great camaraderie, that great teamwork. That was very exciting. It made the whole project really worthwhile. Because we had great camaraderie during that project as well as afterwards. So the next part of what I'd like to talk about is partnership. Because what we got to do by delivering that product on time was to maintain our partnership with our customer, the one who was paying for it. I recently had an experience in Seattle where I was visiting part of a friend's wedding. I was a groomsman. And as I was watching the bride and groom exchange their vows, I was reminded of how marriage is a partnership. Each person in the marriage has roles and responsibilities that they need to do. But more than that, each person in the marriage has the ability to really enjoy and experience the successes and achievements of the other person because they're part of that team. And that also extends to teams in the workplace, where it's not just about the work that we do, but it's about the work that the team does. And that extends beyond the team. It extends to the customers that the team is serving. Because that's what we're there for as teams, is to serve our customers, so that when we serve them, we connect with them, they get what they want and we get what we want. When they are successful, we are successful. As a sales engineer now, my best experiences have been when I can really connect with the customer, really find out what they're after, what they're looking to do, what their problems are, and then know how to take my solution to help solve their problems. That's one of the most gratifying roles and experiences I've had as a sales engineer. But to wrap up, I just want to suggest that if you ever find yourself in Seattle, Washington, visit Top Pot Donuts. They've got some of the best donuts in the world. It's a great experience. The stores are awesome. Great places just to be. So as you would have a great donut experience in Top Pot, I would hope you realize that also you would have a great solution engineer experience with me on board at SAP. Because I bring with me not only my great experience, but also my commitment to continual learning, my commitment to teamwork. And I really thrive in a team environment because I'm very much wired to be part of the team. Not about me, but it's about the team and contributing to the team, lifting everyone up, not just myself. And also I bring a great desire to bring customer success, to win with customers, having them get what they want, and so that I can get what I want, what the team wants, what the team needs to be successful. Because the best thing in life, the best part of life, is all about the relationships. But not so much about the things that we do, though that's important, but it's about the relationships that we build, long-term relationships with customers, with team members, with everyone. So thank you for your time to watch the video. I look forward to moving to the next step, and I really appreciate being able to be considered for this role, and have a great day.